Hey everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Asia level, otherwise known as level number 11 from the Hades CTF labs over at HackMyVM.eu. So for each one of these levels, the first thing we want to do is we want to take a look at the mission.txt file that explains what we're doing on the level. Okay, so the mission.txt file says, so the user Asteria is teaching us how to program in Python. So Asteria is the name of the target user we need to get the password for. So program in Python. So when you see, one of the basic things you can do to figure out what you can do inside the level, especially when it comes to sudo commands, is to run the sudo-l command, which will let us know if you can run any programs as the super user. And it says here, user Asia may run the following commands on Hades. So Hades is the host. As the Asteria user with no password, we can run user bin python 3. So user bin python 3 means we can run the Python command as the Asteria user, which gives us a very easy path to getting access as the Asteria user. So if you're familiar with this website over here called djqWtkLisbQlrGtLYHCv, this is a list of Unix binaries that can be used to abuse security. So most of the time when there's some command that we have got elevated access with, and it's a common Linux command, we can go over to this website and we can look up the binary. In this case, we got Python. And with Python, we've got sudo capabilities here. So we're just going to click on sudo. And it says, if the binary is allowed to run as super user by sudo, it does not drop the elevated privileges and may be used to access the file system, escalate, or maintain privileged access. So in this case, we're not running it as the super user, but we are running it as another user. So we can use a command like this to get shell access as the other user. So I'll just leave that in chat, but we can use this exact command, but we need to modify it a little bit. So it says sudo python -c for command import os os.system bin sh. So this basically what this is doing, instead of Python, we're importing a module, which is the OS module. Then we're using the OS module to spawn a shell. And because we're running it as the Asteria user, we'll get it in the context of that user, and we'll get access to that user's account. So we're just going to modify this a little bit. We're going to run bin bash because we like bin bash more than bin sh. This is Python 3 that we're dealing with. So we need to make sure that we're talking about Python 3, and we need to make sure that we're running sudo as the Asteria user. Okay, so in this level, we're given sudo permissions with the Python binary over here. So the method of privilege escalation is well known and involves using Python to spawn an interactive shell. So that's all we really need to know about this. Okay, so sudo with the u Asteria Python 3, run the command import os os.system bin bash, run the command, and now instead of the Asia user, we're now the Asteria user. So who am I? We are Asteria. This is the target user. And from here, what we need to do is we need to figure out where this user's password is. So the Asteria user. So we can run the find command, find in the entire file system group is the Asteria user's group. And let's see what returns from this. Okay, that's a lot of files. That's a lot of files. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We find one here called Asteria pass. Great. You know what? Hold on. We're gonna run the same command, but we're going to pipe into grep for star pass star. So we're just going to look for a file that has the name pass inside of it. It's essentially the same thing, but we're just trying to filter out the output. Okay, did we? Well, I mean, we got this this password file over here. We're just going to copy that, cat it out, and we've got the password for the next level. So the next level is the Asteria level. Let me just give it to everybody here. There you go. Okay, so let's do a little brief wrap up before we finish the level. So in this level, we're the Asia user, and we need to get the password for the Asteria user. So we're given sudo permissions as the Asteria user with the Python 3 binary. We can use the often used Python shell stabilization technique to open a shell as Asteria. So there are a bunch of different ways you can spawn a shell using Python, but the way that most security testers know is to use the PTY or the sudo terminal module to do that. So you can use this kind of command here to spawn in a shell as that user. All right, so everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Asia level, otherwise known as level number 11 from the Hades CTF game over at HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.